Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Sajid from Al Mahmud International School, Akola. Dear students, we are going to learn about lesson number 11, Beautiful Earth. Some part of lesson we have learned. Now, in today's video, we will learn about deserts, ponds and lakes and rivers. So, let's start. Dear students, we will learn about deserts. A desert is a vast land which is very dry. A desert gets very little rain. There are not lot of rain. There are no rain. There are no heavily rain. It is mostly covered with sand. Look at this picture. You can observe here desert. It's a desert area. A camel is standing in a desert. Camel is the animal which live in desert. So strong winds blow in a desert. It becomes very hot during the day and cold during the night. It's the characteristic of desert. It becomes very hot during the day and cold during the night. Animals such as camels, some lizards and plants such as cactus which need little water to live in a desert. So it's all about deserts. Now we will see about ponds and lakes. What is a pond? Ponds are a small piece of land filled with water is called a pond. A pond. Here you can see the pond. It's the pond. A lake is a large area of land filled with water. A pond or a lake mostly has rainwater and water does not flow away. Here is the picture of a pond. So water does not flow away from the pond. So it's all about ponds and lakes. Rivers, rainwater that flows on land forms streams. Many streams join to form a river. Here is the picture of river you can see. When water from a river falls from a height, a waterfall is formed. Yes, students, you have observed waterfall in any area. So, how waterfall is formed? When water from a river falls from a height, a waterfall is formed. Most rivers flow towards a sea. Many kinds of living things live in rivers, ponds and lakes. So it is all about rivers. So we have learned about deserts. What is a desert? Desert is a vast land which is a very dry. And ponds, what are the ponds and lakes? A small piece of land filled with water is a pond. And rivers, rainwater that flow on land forms a stream. Many streams join to form a river. So it's all about our lesson, and inshallah in next video we will see about sea and the earth, our home. So thank you. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.